right now. So just watch me. Okay. This is going to be the installation of car seat. This is usually how you're going to find your car seat with all these things you don't know what they are dangling about. I'll show you how to do this. Real simple. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure everything's at its longest length. All of these belts. This is your latch that goes over the top of the seat. And this is your latches that go snap on the bottom of the seat. You're going to take these and they're going to end up snapping on like this at the bottom of the seat, but you got to feed it through here first. So now we got our two clamps like this, and this one's going to go over the top. Come around over to the seat here. Right down here, if you can come in a little closer. At the bottom of the seat in all of our vehicles are two metal hooks. That's where we're going to latch our two bottom ones onto. And then there's a latch right back here on all of our vehicles. We're going to go through the headrest and latch there. Move the seat all the way forward. Set your car seat in there. Whoops. Loop this guy under the headrest. We attach him last. These two guys down here, very simple. They just click right in, like that. Click in like that. Take this strap, I don't know if you can see it. Pull this tight. Push down. Now if you want to go around the back there, you can see what I'm doing. Here's this one. All we're going to do is just latch it right there. Pull it tight. That's it. It's installed. You might want to put your knee on it so you can pull down a little bit tighter. That's it. That's an installed car seat. Getting it out is pretty easy. All you got to do is just pull on this, give it some slack. Unlocks there. Same thing if you want to come around here, Frank. Same thing this one. There's a release so you can get some slack. Move your seat forward. Unlatch these. And you're done. Pretty simple, right? Don't have to mess around with the shoulder belt or anything unless the kid's over 65 pounds. At that point, he's probably going to be sitting in a booster just using a regular seat belt. For the infant car seats, I'll do another video. We can press stop.